Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit your song from your Instagram story after posting. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and log in your account. And now you want to go to your story. And by the way, I won't play this music here on my tutorial because of copyright, okay? And also you won't hear me, so I'm just gonna show you, okay? So right here you can see that my story has a music on it, right? So I'm just gonna go back to the home page so that you can hear me. So now I want you to do is you just need to delete that story, okay? And just go ahead and re-upload it because there's no options right now, okay? Right now the Instagram has no options on doing that, so just go ahead and delete your story and restore it and put the music that you want. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.